Imagine holding a vibrant emerald, a sparkling diamond, or a deep blue sapphire. Have you ever wondered how these stunning stones, born deep within the earth, came to be? Today we'll explore the fascinating science behind gemstone formation, a journey that takes millions, sometimes billions of years, involving intense heat, crushing pressure, and the magic of minerals. Let's start with the fundamentals. Gemstones are minerals, crystalline structures formed from specific combinations of elements. Their formation is a result of geological processes that occur beneath the Earth's surface. Some gems grow in molten magma, others in sedimentary rock, and some even in organic settings like seashells. At the core of gemstone creation is the principle of crystallization. As molten rock or magma cools, certain elements bond together, forming crystals. Over time, these crystals grow into what we recognize as gemstones, depending on the unique environmental conditions around them. Two critical factors in gemstone formation are heat and pressure. Imagine the intense conditions found miles beneath the Earth's crust. Temperatures reach over 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit, and pressures are equivalent to the weight of thousands of elephants stacked on your shoulders. For example, diamonds, the hardest natural material on Earth, form about 90 to 120 miles below the surface in a layer called the mantle. Carbon atoms bond under these extreme conditions, creating the dazzling crystal structure that makes diamonds so unique. Similarly, rubies and sapphires, which are types of the mineral corundum, require high temperatures and pressures to form, often within metamorphic rocks. The color and unique properties of gemstones are influenced by the elements present during their formation. Pure corundum, for instance, is colorless, but introduce trace amounts of chromium and you get a red ruby. Add iron and titanium and the stone turns into a blue sapphire. These so-called impurities are what give gemstones their character. Without them, emeralds wouldn't be green, amethysts wouldn't be purple, and aquamarines wouldn't have their serene blue hue. Sometimes water plays a role in gemstone creation. In hydrothermal environments, hot water rich in minerals seeps through cracks in rocks. Over time, the water deposits minerals, forming stunning crystals like quartz, amethyst, and topaz. Earthquakes and volcanic activity can also bring gemstones closer to the surface. For example, diamonds, originally formed deep in the mantle, are transported upward by volcanic eruptions in a type of rock called kimberlite. Not all gems come from deep within the earth. Some, like pearls, amber, and coral, are formed by biological processes. Pearls are created by oysters in response to irritants, while amber is fossilized tree resin, often trapping ancient insects within its golden glow. The science behind gemstone formation is a testament to nature's creativity and patience. Every gemstone is a tiny piece of Earth's history, forged over eons under extraordinary conditions. The next time you see a sparkling gem, remember, it's not just a beautiful stone. It's a story, billions of years in the making, of heat, pressure, elements, and time working together in perfect harmony.
From deep within the earth to the hands of skilled jewelers, gemstones have a story that connects us to the planet itself. Stay tuned for more captivating journeys into the world of gems. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this gem of a video.